Hello everyone, my name is teacher Olamide. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the channel where I'll be teaching you Yorùbá. Ẹ o, ẹ káàbọ̀ sí ìkànnì YouTube channel mi. Orúkọ mi ni Oluko Olamide. Níbí báyìí ni màá ti máa kọ́ yín ní èdè Yorùbá. Today, I'll be teaching you Yorùbá alphabet. Lónìí, ohun tí màá kọ́ yín ni alphabet Yorùbá. In Yorùbá alphabet, we have 25 letters. Nínú alphabet Yorùbá, a ní lẹ́tà márùndínlọ́gbọ̀n. 25 márùndínlọ́gbọ̀n. Now, let me read them for you. Nísìnyí, ẹ jẹ́ kí n kà wọ́n fún yín. A, B, D, E, F, G, B, E, G, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, C, Sh, T, U, W, Y. The first letter is Ha. Letter àkọ́kọ́ nínú alphabet Yorùbá òun ni A. The last letter in Yorùbá alphabet is Y. Letter tó gbẹ̀yìn nínú alphabet Yorùbá òun ni Y. But there are some things you need to take notes in Yorùbá alphabet. Àwọn kan wà tó yẹ kí ẹ ṣàkíyèsí nínú alphabet Yorùbá. They are àwọn ni any letter E in Yorùbá alphabet with dots under it, it is pronounced E. Say it. E. 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 Good. When you see letter E without any dots underneath, it is pronounced E. Let's move forward. We have two S, letter S in Yorùbá alphabet. And then letter C lọ́nà méjì, S lọ́nà méjì nínú alphabet Yorùbá. The first one is pronounced C. 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 Good. You know, in English alphabet we have letter C, but it's not in Yorùbá alphabet. Nínú alphabet èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì, a ní C oníbàyí, ṣùgbọ́n nínú èdè Yorùbá kò sí. So in Yorùbá alphabet, when you see letter S with dots underneath, it is pronounced She. 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 And how do you know the difference between the two? The one is normal S, and the second one is S with dots underneath. Báwo la ṣe fẹ́ mọ ìyàtọ̀ nínú méjèèjì? Àkọ́kọ́ ni a kọ dáadáa S tí kò ní nǹkan kan lábẹ́. Ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì ni a kọ S tó ní àmì tòǹdó lábẹ́ rẹ̀. That is the difference. Ìyàtọ̀ tó wà ńbẹ̀ nù. Another thing you should notice in Yorùbá alphabet is the double letter as one. Ohun kan mìíràn tí a gbọ́dọ̀ ṣàkíyèsí nínú alphabet Yorùbá òun náà ni lẹ́tà méjì tó so papọ̀, which is tó jẹ́ GB. GB. You can see it on the screen. O lè rí lójú fọ́nrán tí ò ń wò yìí. GB. Whenever you see GB together, nígbàkúgbà tó bá ti rí lẹ́tà méjèèjì yìí tó so papọ̀, báyìí la ṣe máa ń pè. We pronounce it as B. 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 Good. Pronounce it again. Good. Again. Good. Again. Clap for yourself. Pàtẹ́wọ́ fúnra rẹ̀. Another thing is letter F. Ohun kan mìíràn ni letter F. Òun lè ń wò lójú àwòrán yìí. F. F. It is pronounced F in Yorùbá alphabet. Letter F in English is pronounced F in Yorùbá alphabet. F. Say it. F. Again. 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 Good. Another one is letter J in English. It is pronounced G in Yorùbá. G. G. Say it. Say it again. Again. Letter J in Yorùbá is pronounced G. Good. Clap for yourself. Pàtẹ́wọ́ fúnra rẹ̀. Another one is letter K in English. It is pronounced in Yorùbá as Ki. 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 Say it. Again. Again. Ki. Ki. Good. Then, letter L in English. It is pronounced Li in Yorùbá. Li. Li. Say it. Again. Again. Li. Li. Good. Clap for yourself. Pàtẹ́wọ́ fúnra rẹ. Then we have letter M. M. But in Yoruba it is pronounced mi. Mi. Say it. Again. Mi. Good. Then we have letter N in English, but it is pronounced in Yoruba as ni. 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 Say it. Ni. Again. Again. Good. Clap for yourself. And we have letter P in English. P. But in Yoruba it is pronounced as bi. 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 Say it. Bi. Again. Bi. Again. Bi. I want to listen to that. Say it again. Say it again. Good. Then we have letter R in English. But in Yoruba we pronounce it as ri. Ri. Say it. Ri. Again. Ri. Good. Also, we have letter U in English. Also in Yoruba. But it is pronounced as U in Yoruba. U. Say it. U. Again. U. Again. U. Good. Say that again. You got it. Now, let's move to the W. We have W in English. But in Yoruba, it is pronounced as we. Say it. We. 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 Again. I want to hear that. Clap for yourself. You got it. And the last one, the last letter in Yoruba alphabet, it is Yi. In English, it is pronounced as Y. But in Yoruba, it is pronounced as Yi. Say that again. Yi. Yi. And that is it. And that will be all for today. On the topic Yoruba alphabet, make sure you jot something and you write those alphabets down inside your notes so you can check anytime, even after watching this video. Of course, you can watch this video more and more, countless time. But make sure you subscribe to this channel, you like this post, you comment, and you share with your loved ones. I'll be meeting you in next class. I'll be waiting for you. Make sure you join me because the next topic is going to be fantabulous. Thank you. Once again, my name is Teacher Olamide, Oluko Yoruba, Oluko Olamide. Bye. Wow!